everyone, this is Ieasha of Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I will be decorating right here on the back side of my wall. Let me make sure that you can see it. As you see all along the wall right here, I am going to be adding some balloon art, like a balloon garland there. And I know that you can see it in the back right here. And this balloon garland is part of a collaboration that I showed you. I think it was last week or the week before last. Anyway, it was how to make a balloon garland. And I will link that video right here in the card section. So make sure you go and check it out so that you will know how to make a balloon garland for your parties or just any at-home event that you may have. All right, so what I'm going to be doing, I took the balloon where I had put it over my bar, and I'm going to be adding it here, and it's like a very beautiful color for the fall. So I am decorating my home for the fall, so I'm going to be adding that right here just to give this wall some design, because right now it's bare and I just wanted something really nice there. So I'm going to be showing you how I will be doing everything. As you see, I have blown up most of my balloons that I'm going to use. I may have to blow up some more to extend it all the way over to this side right here, if you can see where my finger is. And I'm going to do the whole entire wall up there, okay? All right, so I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using some command hooks and my 5-inch balloons, all right? So let's get started. All right, so I'm going to be putting, hope y'all can see me. I'm going to be putting up my balloon garland using these command strips. All right, so yeah, I'm going to be using 3 of them, and I'm just going to put one in the corner, one on this side, one in the middle, and probably one on the end, or I may just use 2. It just depends on how, you know, I decide to do everything. take you around with me so that we can look at it. And there's my daughter. She's my big helper. Excuse the mess in the back. All right, so here it is. Let me let you see. Okay. So here is the balloon garland that I did on a previous video when I was in a collaboration, a close collaboration. And I just added a 36-inch balloon here. All right. And I'm going to be linking this video here where I made this balloon garland in the card section as well as in the description box. So go check it out to see how I did that. All right, so right here is where I added the new, let's see, can you hold that back there so you can see? All right, right here, if you can see. Okay, right here is where I started, and all I did was added some more balloons here, and I added a 24-inch balloon. If you can see that pink one right here on the end. So I added a 36-inch on one end right here and a 24-inch on this end. And that's the way I wanted it here in my home. All right. And as you see right here, I added double stuffed balloons. I just thought this made it look, you know, a little different, cute. So I have double stuffed balloons here as well as right here. So if you can see right here is where I added the command hook, and all I did was take some fishing line and add it to the command hook. And I did the same on that side right there. Give you a close-up right there. All right, and I did the same down on the other end, the very first one I've done, okay? All right, so what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be adding my 5-inch balloons that I blew up also, and I'm just adding them. I added a 260 balloon to this. I connected each side to a 260, and actually this is easier for me than using I normally use fishing line to do this, but this is actually so much easier for me to do. All right, so I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to add this. All right. All right, everyone, so I have put up my 5-inch balloons, as you see right here, and I just chose different areas where I wanted it to flow, as well as asking my daughter how everything looks. And she was sitting back. You know, sometimes you have to step back and really look at your garland to see how everything is looking. So she was sitting back, so I was asking her different areas where it looks really good. So I am so thrilled with how this came out. All right, let me give you a close-up look again. All right. And these 5-inch balloons are rose gold balloons. And make sure you check out my balloon design playlist. I have added all of my balloon designs as well as my event playlist where I have decorated for different events. All right, and this balloon here is a double stuffed balloon. Also, I just decided to put a pink on top and rose gold on the bottom. I just wanted to see how it looked, but it's a different look, so I decided to add it. right, so let me stand back so that you all can get a good look of it here on my wall. So there it is. It is gorgeous. And I may need to pull it up right here because you can see that command hook and I don't want that to be seen. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna lift it up a little bit. I'm decorating for the fall, so I'm going to let you all see some of the fall decor that I have done, and my daughter decorated the fireplace. So I'm gonna let you see that also. All right, so make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment. Let me know what you think about this balloon garland. I love it. All right. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Elaborate Designs by Ieasha family, where you will see event decor and designs, you will see balloon designs, and you also see tablescapes. All right. Make sure you hit that notification bell twice so that you will be alerted when I upload new videos like these. And I thank you all so much for your support. And I will see you all on my next video. Have a great and blessed day.